Welcome back. Now, in order to work with an image, in some cases, you're going to have to adjust the size of the screen or adjust the size of the canvas in order to see everything that you want to do. And you're going to use the View menu to accomplish that. Now, we're going to cover the Zoom portion of the menu in a separate video. Now, one of the things that you can do inside of your View menu is to change the background color. So for example, you can customize the color by going to this link, or you can choose one of the colors that are already available in order to change the background area. You can go back to the View command, you can change the background color to whatever you want it to be. And one of the other things you can do inside of the View menu is that you can choose whether to have your sidebar, you can have it removed, you can bring the sidebar back. You can also share the details of a particular image. And you'll be able to see those details inside of a window. You can close out of that window. You can make it so that the library shows, or you can make it so that the library does not show. Now, the bottom area, you're going to notice that you have all of your recent captures here in this area. You can make it so that those captures do not show. Now, one of the things you can do is you can show the actual size of your image. You can do that here by using this link. That'll bring you to the actual size of your image, and in those cases, you may not want to work with it at that level. If that's the case, what you're going to do is you're going to use the other menu, which is the Zoom In and Zoom Out menu, which we will cover in another video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.